I built a robotic arm that is controlled via servo, and I chose that because I'm really interested in both biotechnology and accessibility, as well as how technology can be used both for increasing ease and for social good. I also chose this project because it combines mechanical engineering, which I have a bit of exposure to, with software engineering and electrical engineering, two fields with which I was new to. I'm now going to play a short video demonstrating my arm.
All right. Ah, thumbs up.
And then this is the gripper, which can be used to pick objects up. Okay. And so as you, well, I actually don't think that was seeable, but it's operated via servo. And so there are 4 servos, one at the base of the arm to allow it to swivel, one here to operate the claw, and 2 here to allow the arm to extend. The servos are operated via potentiometer, which basically works as an on-off switch to let the user maneuver the arm as they wish. And so for me, the really challenging part was getting the basics down, which is a big part of why I have so few mods. But some mods I'm really interested in doing are integrating a keypad or voice control, which would both really help my goal of accessibility. And if I were to commercialize this into a product, I would redesign it to make it more of a prosthetic than an external machine, and then add something that made it more practical to use, because the potentiometers are useful, but they're also very finicky and require very small motions. Overall, this project was a really good introduction to software engineering and electrical engineering, and a good chance to increase my familiarity with mechanical engineering. It was a really interesting experience, definitely a challenge in patience and persistence, and I'm looking forward to continuing work on this on my own time, because as I mentioned, I have a lot of ideas for possible mods. I would just like to thank Sky because she was really helpful, especially as I went through a lot of problem solving and multiple rounds of each step. And thank you all for listening.
Yay!